The client for this project is a pharmaceutical company. I was the principal in charge and the PM for R.W. Sullivan on this project. I run the day-to-day contact, organize the team, deal with the technical issues during the design. The coordination, especially in such a heavy MEP system project like this one, Revizto is very helpful in the coordination part of it. Mark and his team, they scan all the the existing condition, added to Revizto all the new elements that we add into it, and that was made the process very smoothly.
My name is Mark Seaver. So as the MEP and VDC coordinator, specifically putting files together and assembling the model as we go, I've seen technologies go from niche, difficult, more expensive to more available to everybody. Previously, technology has been something that just the CAD operators are involved with, namely in CAD and Revit. They're the only ones that are seeing it and seeing where the things go, and everyone else is still working on 2D drawings.
In the past, the coordination of the mechanicals was done on a light table with all of the different trades gathered around. With the advent of the modern AutoCAD systems and Revizto, now our coordinator, Mark Seaver, manages the entire process, having meetings, but they're usually virtual meetings, but everybody can see the same screen, everybody can see where the conflicts are, where duct is intersecting pipe, and so it primarily gets worked out virtually before it ever comes out in the field. There are several different systems out there, but everybody has had access to Revizto on this project, and so they can actually go and see what each room is supposed to look like. It helps answer some questions as we go along that have cropped up. If it's not clear on a two-dimensional architectural drawing, we can pull up the Revizto and we can see it in the field.
So having Revizto available to everybody means that two foremen can work out where items can go, where it was intended to go. So pipe over duct, pipe under duct, two systems can go together on their individual drawings. Looks like a problem, but put all together in Revizto, they can review that themselves on site and go to work without wasted time.
So the coordination, especially in such a heavy MEP system project like this one, Revizto is very helpful in the coordination part of it. All the system and coordination between different trades is very helpful.
Everyone's had a great response to it from the top down, from ownership down to the people in the field. We started off on this project with the clients, just with the design Revits put together. We put those into Revizto. We actually had a VR day here, probably in this space. It was slightly different at the time. And we had people from the clients, their scientists, come in and understand where their labs are, where their desks might be, where the cafe might be, and what it might look like. They actually walk through the space in virtual reality through Revizto right here.
The Revizto is a fine tool to use here in the field. I can walk around with the screen, I can see exactly what's going on and what's supposed to go on. I can see what needs to be put in and what has been put in, and it's all right there in the palm of my hand as I walk around the job site.
My experience with Revizto overall has been great. The team has been great. Anytime there's been a technical issue, I get an answer within a day or within a couple days, even if it's a slightly complicated one. They've really been able to work with the process that we have.
It streamlines the coordination process immensely.